Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for an easy way to test your pool's water, check out these strips from Clorox. We recently bought a home that had a pool, and we have never had a pool before and are complete beginners. So these strips are so helpful in being able to learn how to take care of a pool and be able to test the water. So this pool has salt and chlorine, and these are a 2-pack of strips so you can test both the salt and the stabilizer. So a really cool feature is that there is an app that you can use, a CLOROX Pool app, and you can actually take a picture of the test strip and then it will interpret the results for you, making it literally foolproof. So perfect for a total beginner or someone who has not used these type of strips before. It just makes it really easy to interpret the results. So we are able to test both of the salt and the chlorine stabilizer levels, and it's very easy using the instructions that are given. So we would definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.